Remy, and Boo!
Stay right here, Poppy. We'll be back after our dance. Dance, dance, dance. Okay, Boo. Let's show this crowd what we've got. A 1, 2, 3. Whoa! I think you're getting worse. Houston, no, that's not our dance! Boo, you have to stop! Oh no!
What just happened?
Something's wrong with Boo. He can't stop sneezing, and it's turning everything on and off. I should have made him go to you sooner, but he really didn't want to miss the dance-off.
It's okay, Remy. Let's take a look. Seems like Boo has a case of the glitters. That'll mess any circuit up pretty bad. But how to get in there?
Oh, Mia's wand. Oh no, I hope Boo will be okay.
Don't worry, we'll get him up and running again with my patented glitter gun solution. 1 minute rest.
Boo, are you feeling better?